Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Guy, Shredding with me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about this magnificent lick, showreel. Today's episode, I'm gonna teach you how to play this lick. This lick is in E minor. And let's go through it step by step. So I'm going to play it very slow for you guys. 7, 9, 12. You're going to use your index, your second finger, and your pinky. And you do down, up, down. Then the second part of it is going to be 9, 12, 14. All right? So far we have this. Then we're going to shift to 12. 12, 15, 17. You're going to do down, up, down. So 12, 15, 17, and then we're going to shift to the first string and we're going to do 15, 17, 19. And we're going to do this. Down, up, down. So far we have this. The concept here is we're going to use economy picking. All right? So between strings, we're going to play the first 3 notes on the first string, and then with the same movement of the last stroke, we're going to play the next string, like this. So it's like this. Look at this hand. All right? So the first portion is going to be. And when we come back, we're going to do, the first part is going to be 19, 17, 15. So 19, 17, 15, and then 17, 15, 12. All right? And then you're going to repeat what you did in the second string. That is 17, 15, and 12. All right? So the comeback is going to be. The third part of it, of the return, is going to be, once you do, then you do 14, 12, 9, twice. All right? So we have. Again. So the last part is going to be. So this last part is 12, 9, 7. So the last one is going to be 12, 9, 7 twice. And then the last one is going to be G here on 10, on the 5th string, and E on the 7th fret. So from top to bottom. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did in today's episode. See you in another episode of Shredding with Guille, Shredding with me. If you want to take private lessons with me, please don't hesitate and contact me on my email that you will see in the description of this video. See you soon. Show reel.